morning. We're going for a walk. Today we're not going by the beach because we don't fancy a swim with boxed jellyfish.
Oh yeah, they're coming in, aren't they?
Yeah, for the next couple of days supposedly. So we are going to walk to the cinema, which is about a 45-minute walk away. We're going to watch Jurassic World in Hawaii.
Yeah, I finished my Jurassic Park jigsaw puzzle before I came here, didn't I?
Oh yeah.
It only took me 2 weeks. The last time I'd done it, it took me 4 weeks. Which is good anyway, because it said 4 to 5 years on the box.
For anyone who needs to come to Hawaii and get their hit of hard rock, this is 2 minutes up the road from our hotel.
They're taking over the Mirage, aren't they?
Yeah. In Hawaii, you got Hawaii on the brain.
I love Hawaii. That's where you got your dress from, wasn't it? From the banana?
No.
Bahana?
No.
No?
Banana Republic.
Was it? I knew it was banana something. Bahama, Hama, Hana, Hana, Madonna.
We got all the designer brands.
Yeah, we don't want none of that. Oh, I might have a bit of Montclair.
Montclair?
What is Montclair anyway?
I don't know, but there's one in the wing. Isn't that the street that he said not to go down? He went, don't go down that street, our driver from the airport.
Oh yeah, no, he's just said to me, don't let her go down.
Don't let her go down that street.
You can see you had expensive taste.
Yeah, I have expensive taste on holidays, not on clothes.
Expensive taste in clothes, yeah, and not in boyfriend. You got a cheap version with me. Oh, we're in the park now. Hawaiian Park. Look, they've got all dangly stuff from the trees. Look. I think the roots grow down from the branches. There's loads of birds here. It's a proper tropical island. Look at that bird. Look, he's got a red head. He's got a little red hat on. It's like my living room in the 80s. All these tropical plants. Everyone has tropical plants in the 80s, rubber plants and things like that. This is amazing, isn't it? I can't believe we're the other side of the world.
I know, we keep telling ourselves every single morning, we're in Hawaii.
Can you believe we're the other side of the world? We've travelled halfway around the world. Our carbon footprint must be terrible. I'm going to have to plant a tree after this trip.
Not as bad as the top 1%.
Well, I planted a couple of trees in the garden, apple tree and all that. I wonder if that counts.
Our garden of Eden.
Yeah. Well, I could run through the sprinklers. This is a life, isn't it, eh? Taking your dog for a walk. They're all playing together, all the little dogs. Isn't it nice to see them all friendly?
Look at that one with pink ears and tail.
The trees even look like they're majestic, don't they? No, they're just like they're floating, their leaves. It's so pretty. I'm videoing you, videoing. Here she is. I told you she hadn't gone home. She hadn't left me.
We're taking a picture of the beautiful environment.
Another lovely little bird with his little red head. I don't know what birds they are, they're lovely. They're so friendly, the birds here, they come so close to you.
We had one for breakfast, didn't he? He kept coming over.
We didn't have a bird for breakfast.
He kept coming over and sitting.
Yeah, I know. He kept eating your little muffin, didn't he?
Yeah.
He kept putting your muffin on the table.
Yeah. Indeed.
You what?
Indeed.
What are you on about? You've got, I tell you, your mind runs away with itself. I don't need,
carry on moving
I can't,
as a kid.
yeah, I can't keep track of your toilet humour.
Look at that one.
Yeah, I told you the roots seem to grow down.
Banyan
See them hanging from there. They hit the ground and then they take root, and then you end up with a really weird looking tree. I think you said there was a banyan tree, didn't it?
It did say that
On the sign. I thought they were Thai. I suppose this sort of runs all the way down, doesn't it? From Pacific round that way.
I used to have a boss that when he used to talk to me on a specific subject, he would say Pacific instead of specific.
There's nothing wrong with the Pacifics.
Pacific.
Specifics of the Pacifics. Was it the Indonesians? They went in canoes and sort of took over all these islands.
Yeah, no.
Polynesians, that's it. I knew it was one of the two. I'm sure the Indonesians would be upset if I called them Polynesians. It's not a bad little walk, is it?
Nope.
I don't mind a little walk when it's pretty.
I'll meet you by the tree of broken glass, where the hope that anything could last. So let's go and take the words that we know and toss them in the sea of thoughtful dreams. But
I'm not eating anything.
We just got given these. We didn't order them, but we've already eaten two. Dean, he inhaled them.
She could see that my belly was shrinking.
Because I'm starving, yeah.
Yeah, I could see your belly shrinking.
Oh, that was lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah.
They're going for it. Hang on, wait, let him walk past the dogs.
Oh. Yeah. They didn't look pretty with the palm trees.
I know.
So Elvis had the top floor, did he, of this hotel?
Yeah, I think so.
When he was filming Blue Hawaii?
It might have been that one. I think they do about 3 or 4 movies there.
Yeah, I think one Clam Bake or something like that, I'm not sure.
But this is the Hilton Hawaiian Village, and the restaurant that we just had breakfast in was part of that.
You can't tell how cute that is by the camera.
No, because we've watched loads of the walk rounds, haven't we?
Yeah.
And it just doesn't show you how wonderful it is.
Not really. And it smells. You can smell the pollen in the air, can't you, and the plants?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Showing the
Oh, the
tower.
sign.
Yeah.
Can't believe the king of rock and roll was up the top of there,
I
wasn't it, at some
know.
point?
It's cool. And this is the little lagoon area that
This
they
is
have.
good, this one, because the box jellyfish are coming in the next couple of days, aren't they?
Yeah.
So you're ideal in here. I mean, it's nice and warm and all.
Dip your toe in.
Can't dip it.
Come on. I think you like paddle boarding in it because it's so flat. And then there's the port over there. We've got.
There's loads of fish in the water. I don't know if that come up on camera. There's loads of them. Look at that.
I don't even know if I'm filming them. I got the flippy bit up. Port is over there. We've got a meal over there at some point. Saturday night, I think. How perfect is that? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah, they have a luau like our hotel.
Look at that, how busy, isn't it? It's going to be busy without many people.
Like that looks like paradise.
It's close to paradise as you get.
Yeah.
And when you're with me.
Yeah, the Hawaiian village, there's loads of, the Hilton village, sorry. There's loads of different Hilton hotels that connect together to make the little village, and then there's a few shops and restaurants.
It's a bit flat, isn't it?
I know.
It's still not there.
We're at the cinema in Hawaii watching Jurassic World. I made him wait there. Come on.
What?
Let's go in.
Come on, let's get our drinks and that. I'm on relax, ready?
These are the standard seats.
No, luxury.
How was it?
It was good, Jurassic Park.
Yeah?
Yeah. They had every star in it, didn't they, from all the movies?
Yeah. Yeah, they had everyone in it. Yeah, it was
Jeff Goldblum was still doing his I'm a cool 80s dude.
yeah, I liked it. Obviously, my favourite one is the first one. So, always going to be the first one. That was the first memory I ever have of going to the cinema as a family.
Oh, we got a men's shop over there with 60% off.
What, the crazy shirt?
I need to go in the crazy shirt.
Do you want to cross over and go in the crazy shirt?
Yeah.
Oh, then. There's a crossing just over there. So now we're going to go and do a bit of shopping.
Well, we'll have a browse anyway.
There's a big old mall just up the road. So we're going to go in there.
I've got a super gulpy and then refilled again.
That popcorn was massive, there was loads.
I managed to finish it though. I've got popcorn belly in it.
He's only gone and found us a TK Maxx.
It's a TJ Maxx. It's not a T, isn't it? The pets department's bigger than the men's department.
Where's the escalators?
There's men's here.
Oh, this is what you wanted. Get yourself, that's very 80s. I think this is the Ala Moana shopping centre. So we have Victoria's Secrets, Bath and Body Works, I think Abercrombie.
All the standard American
All the
shops,
standard shops. And it's a massive mall outside.
Beautiful.
Oh, there's a Zara. And a Coach.
We're going in all of them, are we?
Every single one of them. Already made some purchases. I've made some in Morphe. We just went in Abercrombie. I bought some underwear.
Nothing. She ain't let me spend a penny on myself.
And we're looking for Bath and Body Works. Obviously.
Nouts.
Now Aloha. Sugar. Give me some sugar. That's a big shot for sugar.
I think we should go and get some sugar.
Looks like he's telling us to.
I could eat a packet of sweets.
Could ya? I could do with a burger. Wonder how many steps we've done.
2 minutes.
Yeah, just been to Victoria's Secrets. They had a massive sale on, 60% off all bikinis, wasn't it?
Yes, I've got myself 6 different bikinis.
I got a nice one, glittery. Dean wanted me to get one that was pink, but I always think pink bikinis make you look naked from a distance. And we got some hand soap, the sanitizer with the foam sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. We got loads. I got some for gifts for my sister because we got her one last time from Miami and she loved it. Her and her partner Michael loved it, so we got them too. So we're just having a final look around the shops and I think we're going to head back to the hotel because Dean's taking me for a burger in paradise tonight, maybe.
I don't mind taking you up the burger in paradise. You've got such a filthy mind.
You keep wording it like that.
Yeah. Oh wow. Look at the size of him to my hand, look.
All these little birdies are.
They're no bigger than my thumb.
Oh, so cute.
Little red noses.
Yeah, I know. These are some of the purchases. The rest that I'm not showing you was underwear. You don't really want to see that. But I got some Morphe eye primer, the makeup. This was $6. Eyeliner, love a bit of eyeliner. And then these foaming hand sanitizers. We love the foaming ones. That pistachio cream puff is amazing. But we didn't get any hand sanitizers. We'll get them when we go to Vegas. They didn't really have a big choice. We've only found a Christmas decoration shop.
What day was the date? It's June, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or is it near July?
Okay, we in the snow. Okay, we in the snow. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, we in the snow. Okay, we in the snow. Hello, 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 hello. Nice to meet you. I know we've seen better days. Life is just a game we play. You hold tight to the world you know. The hardest part is letting go. Follow me to the
Right,
We're signing off.
we're calling it a night. What was it, like 7, half 7?
Yeah, look at this, Hawaiian shirts. When in Hawaii, when in Rome, do as the Romans do.
Yeah, we're knackered. I know, that sounds really bad, doesn't it? We're on holiday.
And what we're going to have in the room? What's that
Skinny
called?
jeans.
Skinny jeans beer.
I've made him walk across town today, like everywhere, and then shop.
We've done 20,000 steps in it on the
Yeah,
phone.
20,000 steps today. Plus last night was pretty late. So we're probably going to go to bed early tonight so we can basically relax some more tomorrow.
Dirty night.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.
Ring the bell. 'cause
Ring the bell.
Even if you subscribe, it won't pop up on your telly.
Yeah, follow us on Instagram
Follow.
and Snapchat when we start properly loading videos.
Follow.
Love you, bye.
somewhere that you and I we can stay. Why?